Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google My Business for review response productivity step by step clearly. Navigate to the Google My Business website. Click on the Manage Now button. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one first. Enter your business name in the provided field. Select your business from the drop-down list if it appears. If your business doesn't appear, choose the option to create a new listing. Provide your business address accurately. Choose whether you want to add a location customers can visit. If applicable, specify the areas you serve. Select your business category from the available options. Add your business phone number and website URL if you have one. Select the verification method that works best for you. Options often include a postcard, phone call, or email. If you choose postcard, be sure to enter your address correctly. Wait for the verification code to arrive. Once it arrives, return to Google My Business and enter the code. After verification, complete your business profile. Upload high-quality images of your business. Write a concise and engaging business description. Add your business hours to inform customers when you're open. Enable messaging to allow customers to reach you directly. Review your settings and ensure all information is accurate. Monitor your Google My Business dashboard regularly. Respond to reviews promptly for engagement and credibility. Utilize insights to track customer interactions and improve productivity. Keep your business profile updated with any changes. Take advantage of Google Posts to share updates or promotions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.